Hi, my name is Anne-Helene and I'm an occupational therapist and the owner of Baby Steps. Today, I will take you through the exercises that you can do with your baby when you're taking them to the swim center. I hope you will use the exercises and enjoy. So this exercise is an exercise where we have the babies diving towards the edge. And it's an exercise that goes really well along with one of the other exercises that I have been talking about, the exercise about climbing up on the edge yourself, because here we have the exercise before that step. We have the exercise where we are diving our babies towards the edge and then having them hold onto the edge on their own. What we do when we do the dive is we have the babies facing the edge as we are also, and in contrary to the other dives that we have been doing where we have been facing each other, this dive we are facing outwards. So we hold on to the babies underneath of their arms, tuck them to the side so that we can see each other, and then we get their attention, count 1, 2, 3, dive down underneath the water towards the edge and back up, helping their arms, their hands up on the edge and holding on themselves. This exercise is really good for self-efficacy, helping the babies to be more independent in the water and helping the babies acknowledging and recognizing the edge, which is the fundamental steps before they start walking and crawling around in the swim centers and the pools. We have them knowing the edge, we have them knowing that if they fall underneath of the water, they can catch the edge and then pull themselves out of the pool. So in that way, they are a self-saving exercise around the pool. But we are still right there with them. We are helping them towards the edge and we are in control. No babies are swimming on their own and swimming up on their own. We are the ones who are controlling them and helping them. But it's a very good exercise to start practicing around the time when they start crawling around and helping them to help themselves and to prevent accidents to happen. I like this exercise very much. I think it's a very fun exercise if you have a baby who likes to dive. If you doesn't have a baby who likes to dive, you do the same exercise without the dive, just swimming towards the edge and holding on to it. This was a short video with a nice exercise that you can use with your baby the next time you're at the swim center. I hope you will enjoy the exercises and good luck. Bye.